This is the maximum jib outreach, you can see. So we need to go down. Okay, I already adjust the limit. Now jib is going down. Now going down slowly. Now we will check the limit, cutoff limit. Now as we discuss in the drawing, BL2, this is the limit switch number 2, okay, and this is all cam switches, and this is all the limit switches. So this cam is rotating like this, okay, I will show you after adjust the limit switch. So this BL2 is this cam, okay, this is already touching to that limit switch. So BL2 speed reduced limit is already cut off. So BL3 also, this is the stop, okay, this will not reduce the speed of jib to maximum outreach, this will cut off this limit. So how to, if you want to lower the more jib like this position, now if you want to lower more at straight position, so you have to adjust this first BL2 limit, just little bit adjust on back side. So to adjusting, lose this screw and then we will adjust. So I am just adjusting BL2 first. इसको पकड़ो. So we need to adjust BL2 little, only need to lose the screw. Okay. Only lose little like this. Now you have to pull by hand like this. Okay. This much is okay. After that we will see how much we can adjust. Now BL3 I am taking back again to go the jib more down like this. Okay. Like this we can put, okay. So I am taking more, maybe this much, okay. So we have so now we have to tight after adjustment, okay. So you can tight. You can tight like this. Okay, so we will try to move the jib now down and we will see jib should be go down.